Good morning, everybody. I am at Walgreens and I'm ready to share with you guys some deals. I was actually working on my breakdowns while I was at the airport in Richmond, Virginia yesterday, so pretty good. My inserts sucked this week. I got two different newspapers in my area. I got one Milwaukee, one Madison, and they both suck. So I'm relying on digital deals this week. So we are going to go inside and do some deals. I'm going to do some breakdowns with you guys. Some deals that I may not do, some deals that I do. And then we're gonna go back into the car and I'm gonna show you guys my breakdown on any problems, questions, comments, concerns I have. But I am pretty excited, so let's go shopping. So this week is the gifts of the week where they have certain deals. So we got the Whitmans or the Russell Stouffer's on sale for $4.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can get, making these just $3.99. We also have some insert coupons, but they're $1 off of 2, so you get those for $3.49 each. So depends on how you guys want to do it, but I think the $3.99 is a great gift price. Okay, so we have the soft soap on sale. We have the $1.99 ones and the $2.99, so I'll give you guys a scenario for both of them. So the $1.99s, they are buy one, get one 50% off. You would want to use a 75-cent off digital coupon that we have. You'll end up just paying $5.22, but you do get a $4 register reward when you purchase 4 of them. So these come out to be just $1.22 or 30 cents each, which is a great deal. And then we have the bigger bottles for $2.99, and you could use that 75-cent off digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $8.22, but you get that $4 register reward, making it $4.22 or just $1.05 each. So here we have the Dove body wash for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or there is a 3 off of 2 insert coupon from last week's inserts. You want to use that, you'll pay $11, but then when you spend $10, you'll get a $5 register reward, making these just $6 or $3 each. It's an okay deal. One thing I'm going to say is if you guys are doing these spend 10, get 5s, you have to do multiple transactions. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, but I just wanted to share with you that deal. So here we have the Tresemme 2 for $10. We did receive a 5 off of 2 insert coupon from last week. There might be a digital, depends on if it's still available from last week. But you only pay $5 and then you get a $5 register reward when you spend 10. So this is the same deal like the Dove body wash, but these come out to be absolutely free after the points and everything in, so that's a great deal. So here we have the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. Now there's 2 different digital coupons that you guys can use. We have a $1 off digital coupon and a 3 off of 2 digital coupons. So you guys want to use both of those. You'll end up paying just $6.47, but you do get a $5 register reward, same as the Tresemme and the body wash. You get a $5 register reward, making these $1.47 or just 49 cents each, which is a great price. My store has just gotten a lot of clearance on just random items, like we got LA and some other stuff, but this is Axe Max Gel. This was $9.49 and it's on clearance for $4.79. We do have a $2 off Ibotta rebate. There is no digital coupon or coupons that I know of, but we do have the $2 off Ibotta rebate. And we have a $1.50, 1,500 points from Fetch Rewards. So you'll just get this bottle for just $1.29 if you guys want to stock up on something like that. That could be a great deal. So here we have the Tampax. These used to be 2 for $10, but I noticed they just recently changed it. But these are in the ad for 2 for $11. We do have a $1 off digital coupon. Otherwise, there are $1 off coupons in the P&G. But you guys will end up paying $9, and then when you spend 10, you get a $5 register reward. So you'll get a $5 register reward, making these just $4 or $2 each if you guys need to stock up on some of those items. So we have the Crest toothpaste and toothbrushes for $3 on sale. You guys, we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So you end up paying just $6 for 2 of these, but then you do get a $3 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. So it comes out to be free, so this is a nice freebie of the week. So there's 2 different deals that we can do for the Colgate toothpaste. We got some for $2.99. You want to use a $2 off insert coupons, or 1 insert, 1 digital for $2 off. You'll end up just paying $1.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards where it comes out to be free. Then we have the $3.99 one. So again, $2 off with however you want to use it. You'll end up just paying, I think, $3.98. But then you'll get a $4 cash rewards, making these free also. I like to get the bigger ones because you get more bang for your buck. Here we have the Renewzits things on sale for 89 cents. We do have a digital coupon for buy 4 get 2 free. I haven't used this digital for a while. I don't plan on using it for this transaction. But anyways, you guys would pay $3.56 for 6 of them, where it comes out to be just 59 cents each if you want to stock up on Renews-Its. Here we have the little bottles of Palmolive for just 99 cents. We do have a 25-cent coupon. It says for any ultra dish. So you guys will just get this for 74 cents. Here's the deal that you can do. The coupon does not work for the dollar off because it is a 20 fluid ounce, but you can use the 75-cent off or the 25-cent off coupons if you want to do that. But without the coupons, you're going to end up just paying $4.98. You'll end up getting that $2 cash rewards, where it comes out to be $2.98. If you do the 25-cent off coupon for this size, if you want to do it that way, you can use two 25-cent off coupons. It's going to be $2.49 each. Then we're going to take away $1.50. You'll end up just paying $3.48, but then we get that $2 cash rewards, making these $1.48 or 74 cents. So it's the same price to get this big bottle than the smaller bottle. If you guys like the 7th generation soap, it is on sale for 20% off. So you want to buy 2 of them, you'll pay $5.58, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. It comes out to be $3.58 or just $1.79 each if you guys like that soap. Now here is an awesome deal on these large bottles of Purex. So they are $7.99. We do have one $3 off digital coupon that you can use. So you'll end up just paying $12.98. But with Ibotta, there is a $4 rebate with Ibotta, and you can do a limit times 2, and you get a $3 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. So these come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is a great deal. So we have the all laundry detergent for $2.99 along with the Snuggle. You would end up wanting to use there are some printable coupons, but otherwise from last week, there is a $1.25 off digital coupon for the all. You'll end up just getting this for, you'll just get it for $1.74, which is a great price for laundry detergent. So here we have the Dove deodorant on sale for $6. We do have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up paying just $10, but here we have a deal where if you spend $10, you get a $5 register reward. So that comes out to be $5 already. Then we have a deal with Fetch Rewards where you get 2,000 points for every 2 that you buy. And there is a deal with Ibotta for $1.50 times 2. So you guys will get both of these absolutely for free. So here we have the Axe deodorant for $6. You want to buy 2 of them. We currently have a 3 off of 2 insert coupon from last week. Otherwise there were printables, but you'll end up just paying $9. But here you get a $5 register reward when you spend $10 or more. And then we also have $1 rebates with Ibotta. So I'm going to buy 1 of these each because they each count as a rebate. So you get both of these for just $2 or $1 each, which is a great deal. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens, I want to say Walgreens Ibotta haul. I got a lot of Ibotta deals, so I'm here to dig in and share with you guys the deals I got. Now remember, I do have a printable breakdown of all the deals that I do to share with you guys and some of the deals that I did show. But anyways, I'm just going to get to the point. Here is a great deal for the Purex laundry detergent. So these are $7.99. Yep. You want to buy 2 of them. Buy 2 of them. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll end up just paying $12.98. But there is 2 $4 off rebates. Well, technically there's one $4 off rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you get $8 back with Ibotta. And you get $3 cash rewards when you purchase 2, $1.98. 99 cents for those big jugs is a great deal. So I had to share with it. I was sitting next to Crystal yesterday at the airport, and I'm like, wow, love when you get laundry detergent that cheap. Sorry you guys, I screwed up on my math like 3 times. So the video for this part is wrong. I somehow did the math wrong. But anyways, these were $2.49. You want to use 2 25-cent off coupons that we got from our inserts. The $1 off ones are for 30 ounces. These are 20 ounces. But anyways, you would pay $4.48 for these, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. It comes out to be just $2.48 or $1.24 each, which is a pretty good deal for the big bottle. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I ended up doing the Colgate Toothpaste. Hold on. Here's another deal that you guys can do is the soft soap. The soft soap, the smaller bottles are better. So these are $1.99 and they're buy one get one 50% off. There's a 75-cent off coupon that you guys can use for this too. So you end up paying just $5.22, but you will get a $4 cash rewards back, making 4 of these just $4.22 or $1.05 each, which is a pretty great deal. So I got that. Okay, the Colgate toothpaste was, I got the $3.99 one. I used $2 off coupons. I used a paper and a digital. You'd end up just paying, I like don't do my roll. You'll end up just paying $3.98. I think it's $3.98. But then you get a $4 cash rewards. So it comes out to be free for these bad boys. So if you guys want to go do that one. Then I got more soap. I did the, this is a great deal if you guys can find this on clearance. So this was originally $9 something and my store had it for on clearance for $4.79. I didn't have any coupons for it. So you'd pay $4.79 for this, but then there's a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and then there's a 1,500 point rebate, which is $1.50 with Fetch Rewards, making this just $1.29. Why did I write $2.48? $1.29. So $1.29 for that. I ended up getting some gifts in here, so I'm just trying to get those out. Okay. Make sure, I'm gonna tell you guys this, make sure you guys screw the bottles on your soap because I've lost soap in the past. So I had that $5 for spending 15 CRT that I had like a month ago. So I just needed to get something that was expiring today. It was $5. It doesn't say 5 off of 15, it just says $5. I just grabbed this eyeshadow, it was $6.99. I just used that $5 off coupon. You could probably get a little bit cheaper, but I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I got this for like 45 cents. So that's the reason why I did that, but yeah. So the next deal we did is the Axe deodorant. Now these were $6. So the there's a lot of deals where you have to do separate transactions. I did 4 separate transactions because of all the deals. But these were $6 each. You want to use the 3 off of 2 coupon, you'd pay $9 for this. But there is a $5 register reward that you get for purchasing 2, and then you get $1 back with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $2 or $1 each. Now you might have some extra you might have some extras in Fetch Rewards. I do not, but some of you guys might. But you do kind of get a bonus point. So these come out to be just $2 or $1 each if you guys want to do that, which I think is a pretty decent deal. Then I ended up doing the Tresemme deal. This is the same deal as the Crest, and it's going to be the same deal as the Axe. So I did the Tresemme. These were $5, 2 for $10. You want to use that 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks, last week actually. You'd pay $5 for it, but then you get a $5 register reward, making these free. So that is a great deal. You definitely want to take advantage of it. I have like 1 more coupon, so I probably want to take advantage of it just because it expires on Saturday. So I did the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. So I bought 3 of them. I had a $3 off a 2 coupon, and I had a $1 off coupon. You'd pay $6.47. I forgot to share with you guys these register rates. I got a $5 register reward for this. So you end up getting this to be just $1.47. Where did I write this down? $1.47 or just 49 cents each, which is a great deal. Yeah, so I got a couple of the $5 ones because I did 4 transactions, so I got 4 of the $5 transactions. I received a $4 register reward for the Colgate, and then I got a $3 off. Oh, this is for the Crest. I haven't gotten there yet. Let me get to the Crest part. Really, where'd my Crest go? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the. I bought a toothbrush. Oh, it's in my lap. Yeah, okay. So these were $3. These were $3. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. You'd pay $3 for this, but then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be free. So you get both Colgate and Crest this week for free. Now here's a great deal that you guys can get for free. It is the Dove deodorant. Now there's one that's like a 0%. My store didn't have any of those, or they weren't marked on sale. So these were $6. I had a what did I use for this? I had a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that I used for this. You get why did I not write the price down? you'll pay $10 for this. But you get the $5 register reward when you purchase $10 worth, and you get $1.50 and $1.50 back with Ibotta, and you get 2,000 points when you submit your receipt to fetch rewards. So these become absolutely free, which is a pretty great deal. So that was my haul, you guys. Pretty excited. I ended up buying this little hot chocolate bomb. I'm actually really excited. I've never tried one of these before, and I've been just craving hot chocolate. So we're gonna see how this goes. But my total came to $56.83. Now keep in mind, I did not pay that price. I did pay with points. I did do separate transactions, and I did pay with register rewards from previously. But those spend 10 deals, you cannot pay with points. I think this guy has parked, hold on, there's a guy that's, I think he's been by near me twice. Anyways, I received $27 for register rewards. I got $15.73 worth of like Walgreens cash. I received $15 back with Ibotta, and then I received 3,888 points with fetch rewards, which is $3.88. No, this is not the guy I was thinking about. So my grand total came to be a $4.78 moneymaker. I got everything for free and I made a profit. I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. You definitely want to get those Purex, you guys. Definitely get the Purex. That's a great item to donate even if you don't want it. I mean, 99 cents you're donating. That's a great deal. And get those freebies. Again, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. I do want to say thank you everybody for letting me get to 50,000 subscribers. I was sitting in the car with the girls it was this Friday, and I'm like, hey, I just hit 50,000, and we were just like all screaming and saying yay, like we were so excited. I will be doing some giveaways once things settle down for my trip. I've just been crazy busy, and then I have a craft show coming up in the next couple weeks, but I will be doing some giveaways. I'm gonna be giving away, not this design, but I have a lot of these bags to be giving away, so I will be definitely giving those away multiple times. But again, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks again. See you guys later. Bye bye.